this is Samina Sheikh here on my special show Street Diaries with the handsome hunk Gibran Khan. He's all grown up. He's not the Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum actor anymore, but he's joined me right now in this rain to enjoy a date on my show Street Diaries.
Yes.
Right, Gibran?
Yes.
So what I'm going to get to see you eating today?
I think that's a surprise which we should go and check out on the table because
Yeah.
I've kept some food ready for you. So come, let's check that out.
Huh? Let's go. तो जैसे मैं जिब्रान के साथ में यहाँ पर आई हूँ and I can see that he's already filling my tummy right now with
Yes.
good food and it looks like a very good date. ये date है या rebound? You have to tell me this.
नहीं हम डेट ही करते हैं.
Yeah.
डेट में ज्यादा मजा है. रिबाउंड में दर्द भी हो सकता है, पता भी नहीं, अनसर्टेनिटी हो सकती है, तो हम डेट ही करते हैं.
आपकी पर्सनल लाइफ में आपने rebounds किए हैं कभी and how it has been? Like, does it really work?
मैंने तो नहीं किया है, लेकिन मुझे पता नहीं कि मेरे साथ अगर किसने किया है या नहीं.
अच्छा.
बट मैंने तो नहीं किया. मैं बहुत अच्छा बच्चा हूँ वैसे.
बहुत अच्छा बच्चा.
जी.
So are you the person जो एक्चुअली में बोलते कई बार that you know that guy of you know जो बहुत रोमांटिक होता है, जो एक लड़की को डेडिकेटेड होता है like that?
मैं थोड़ा ओल्ड स्कूल तो हूँ, जैसे मैं कहता हूँ मैं थोड़ा ओल्ड स्कूल आशिक टाइप हूँ.
हाँ.
तो मैं हूँ वैसा. प्लान तो वही किया था बचपन से कि एक ही बंदी हो एंड ऐसा हो, बट ऑफ कोर्स गॉड हैड अदर प्लान्स, सो आई एम लुकिंग अराउंड फॉर my.
But is it like Gibran is single or he's very much in ishq vishq?
Now we'll talk on the date. You'll know whether I'm single, whether I'm not.
So let's have something. But before we
Yes.
start this date, I want to know, Gibran,
Yeah.
that normally what do you feel like consuming? क्या खाना पसंद करते हो and all that?
So Samina, to be very honest, I am from a Muslim and a Parsi family, and I love food. मेरे लिए मतलब खाना is like the biggest thing about my day. मैं मतलब सोचता हूँ कि मेरा लंच क्या होगा, मेरा डिनर क्या होगा. मैं बहुत फूड एप्स यूज़ करता हूँ and I just love food, but unfortunately I am in a profession where it demands me to be in shape and all of that, and so kabhi grilled chicken, or it's more of like paneer, like dried stuff, and a lot of salads, like you can see this is Caesar salad, but definitely I do add it up with I remove the mayo and all, an avocado toast which is good in carbs and fat, तो ये कभी खा लेता हूँ. And this is actually my snack at night. It's paprika chicken strips. I love all this.
But ये आपको नहीं लगता ये शायद से unhealthy हो सकता है?
बहुत अनहेल्दी है, लेकिन जो दिल को लगता है ये वो है, तो ये मैं बहुत खाता हूँ. वीकेंड्स पे तो जरूर खाता हूँ जब मेरा चीट मील रहता है.
Yeah.
या तो फिर मम्मी को बोल के एक मटन बिरयानी खा लेता हूँ, या फिर हाँ, आई एम अ बिग बिरयानी फैन.
अच्छा.
मुझे आप बिरयानी ब्रेकफास्ट लंच डिनर दे दो, मैं खाते रहूँगा.
So that seems to be common in the family. I feel like everyone is a biryani fan out there.
Of course.
But I would want you to have this
Yes.
before we like begin on some veggies. But I think we
I
should
will
start
want
with
to serve you because you're the lady. Let's start with you.
Thank you so much.
And I am going to give you the biggest piece here.
बचपन में आप क्या खाना पसंद करते थे ज्यादातर?
मैं मम्मी का बहुत खाता था यार खाना. लाइक आई एम अ टिपिकल घर का खाना बच्चा. बट सेइंग दैट आई थिंक स्कूल टाइम में पिज्जाज नए आए थे. आई थिंक डोमिनोज वाज क्वाइट अ बिग थिंग. मैकडॉनल्ड्स हैड आल्सो ओपन, सो दैट हैप्पी मील एंड डोमिनोज वाज क्वाइट अ थिंग फॉर मी.
School time पे what would you do when you would be at classes and not attending classes? आपने bunk किया है and you're going to a place, just play bowling and just enjoy the McDonald's burgers and all.
A very I would say white fact. मेरी स्कूल ना बहुत छोटी स्कूल थी. It's at Pali Hill. It's called Learners Academy. Even Ranveer is from that school. Zahir also is from that school. A lot of Mohit Suri sir was also from that school. So it's actually just a building of 7 floors. तो हमारे क्लास में कुछ 25-30 बच्चे रहते थे बिकॉज छोटू था. सो वी डिडंट हैव द प्रिविलेज ऑफ बंकिंग क्लासेस. बट सेइंग दैट यस, आई वाज द मोस्ट शरारती बच्चा ऑफ माय क्लास. मैं पीछे ही बैठा रहता था. बहुत मतलब मैंने बहुत तंग किया अपने टीचर्स को, बट एट द सेम टाइम आई वाज देयर फेवरेट आल्सो. देयर वाज समथिंग व्हिच आई थिंक आई बैलेंस्ड इट आउट वेल. तो मैंने बहुत मस्ती की इन अ वे कि मतलब आई एम नॉट वेल, पुट माय हेड डाउन, और फिर नीचे कुछ ड्राइंग चल रही है, या फिर कुछ खिलौना स्मगल कर लिया बैग के अंदर. तो वो सब बहुत किया है, बट बंकिंग इतना मौका नहीं मिला कि स्कूल छोटी थी.
पर जैसे ही आपने स्कूल टाइम के इसमें ही you started off working and you were the kid star तब attention कितना मिलता था, you know, from this, you know, school girls? Was it a co-ed? क्या था?
Yeah,
basically?
it was a co-ed school.
Yeah.
But attention से ज़्यादा लोग बहुत मस्ती उड़ाते थे. Like मैंने एक बहुत ही famous ad किया था, जो एक family थी, वो चलते गई थी कुछ 4-5 साल. It was the Whirlpool family. मम्मी का magic चलेगा क्या? I don't know if you remember it, but it was a big thing.
Okay.
तो स्कूल में असेंबली में सब बच्चे चढ़ाते रहते थे, you know, कि अरे मम्मी का मैजिक. Then K3G happened. Then everyone said, hey, Jana Gana Mana boy, शाहरुख का बेटा. तो स्कूल में ये मस्तियाँ होती थी. But actually मुझे attention कब मिलना चालू हुआ जो मुझे समझ में आया was when I became an instructor with Shamak. When I started doing classes, when उनके summer funk, winter funks होते थे. That was the time I realized, you know, Samina, that oh my god, I have done these films. Because it was just so overwhelming, you know, people used to actually at that time come in lines and click pictures.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, and I was just like, okay, ऐसा होता है, you know.
हाँ.
So that was the time it hit me. I think like 14-15 साल में.
But Jibran, आपके बारे में एक और एक चीज मैंने notice की है that you know you were there, you were doing your shoots and all. As a kid, you were there performing, and suddenly you disappeared, and then you bounced back as, you know, that handsome-looking guy who's roaming on the streets, you know, getting captured, and the attention was very different for you. Oh, that K3G guy.
Yeah.
Oh, you have seen this guy, and people started talking a lot about you. And on Instagram also, people like look at you. I'm sure.
Yeah.
Didn't you feel थोड़ा सा awkward कि जब actually like you know when you were actually working as an actor, तभी इतना यानी notice नहीं हुआ and suddenly like there was a different ball game for you?
I won't say Samina notice नहीं हुआ, but of course as an adult, the attention grows with every year, you know. It also reached a point in my life where I used to have this feeling that is my identity only limited to K3G, for example, because out of all the 3 films, that is by far the most loved film, I would say. So I did have my days that I was like, you know, I want to break out of this identity.
Yeah.
I want to make a new identity. Like for example, now Ishq Vishk, mashallah, has happened. You know, like people now will know me as Sahir also. That's my character name in the film. You've not watched it, but whenever you
Now
do,
he's going to make me realize that until I watch it.
No, but please watch it. I never felt that पहले नहीं मिला ऐसे नहीं. मुझे जब भी मिला है बहुत अच्छा लगा है.
Yeah.
Because I feel as an adult जब मिला है, it just shows कि यार वो बचपन का impact आज भी उनके साथ है. Because शायद वो भी लोग जो मुझे recognize कर रहे हैं वो मेरे साथ ही बड़े हुए, तो उनको वो बचपन का कैरेक्टर याद रखने की एक्चुअली जरूरत है नहीं. तो अब जब वो मुझे प्यार देते तो it's like, you know, I've done something right. Maybe Karan sir has given such a beautiful film that people still remember that character.
Yeah.
So all credit goes to him, to be very honest. Even I message him now that thank you for giving me Krish Raichan, because people still love me and still remember me the same way. And I think that has transitioned, you know, in this film also. People have actually sent me, you know, messages. You are our crush. Now you are our adult crush also.
Wow.
So that's a very small thing, but that the fact that someone is at least saying this to me, it feels like यार कुछ तो अच्छा चल रहा है life में. You know? So I'm happy.
But also Jibran, ऐसे होता था आपको कभी कभार that you know you were not getting that due attention you required in the industry. You've also spoken about that कि तुमने काफी struggle भी किया. You have been thrown out of projects. You have also been rejected. You know. So tell me something about that phase of your life.
Firstly, Samina, I don't like to call it struggle. मेरे को struggle बहुत ही weird word लगता है. This is my perception. Sorry if I'm wrong, if it hurts anyone. I feel my hustle is what has made me who I am today. Yes, of course, बहुत बुरा लगता है. बहुत बुरा लगता है when you are trying for so many years and you're not, you know that you are doing everything you can, but you're not reaching there. There is something, but at the same time, I think spiritually I made myself so strong, and I just kept telling God, you know, that okay, if not this, I know you're keeping something better for me. I won't say I was thrown out of projects, but yes, definitely I was replaced. Maybe the makers thought that this is a better bet, this person can do the character better. Rightly so, this is a part of our industry. I think everyone should be prepared with this. I'm not saying अब मेरे साथ नहीं होगा, अभी आगे चल के भी जिंदगी में हो सकता है. But it's a part of life here. This is how I think every industry works. It's not only Hindi cinema. And Yeah, coming back to this, it's fine. I am happy because जो भी हुआ है, it has led me to this journey. I respect what I have now even more. I am more humble in my head. I feel अगर पहले मिला होता जल्दी आसानी से, शायद ये attitude नहीं होता. शायद एक अलग attitude होता. And there's no shame in saying that.
Yeah.
So I'm happy. I'm very happy because I kept myself strong. And I feel मेरे में बहुत बड़ा कीड़ा भी है कि मुझे एक्टर बनना है, मुझे एक अच्छा कलाकार बनना है. I want people to know me not only for okay, he's decent enough, he looks good, he can dance, he has a body. No, it's not only that. That is important, but at the end of the day, you need the validation that you're a good actor. I have a father at home who is, I think, by far one of the best actors our country has ever had. So for me to be his level or get an approval from him or matching up to his level, I think for me that is what I'm working on every day. Okay, you know, people should turn around and say, yeah, he's a good actor. Let's cast him because he's a good actor. I think that is what I'm chasing in life.
Yeah.
And that is something I will chase. I know that. That is what I've programmed myself and that is what I'm doing.
जब भी रिजेक्ट हुए ऑडिशंस में तुमने ऐसा नहीं बोला कौन है जो मुझे दोबारा मुड़ के नहीं देखा. Didn't you even try once?
Of course, who is he? I've always tried to find out कि यार किसने मुझे हरा दिया. But मुझे सब चलता है. You know, अभी इतना हो चुका है, इतने रिजेक्शंस हो चुके हैं कि अभी मज़ा भी आता है. You know, it's like okay, नहीं हुआ, move on, try something new. तो मैं इतना अभी दिल पे नहीं लेता हूँ. कभी कभी होता है. Like I remember last year there was this one project I really wanted to do. मतलब मैंने I think सब कुछ किया. मतलब I did everything I could from my side. I called the director, I called the producer, I tried to get an audition. I went, I did the audition, but somewhere I didn't fit. I didn't fit the character. Maybe I was too old, maybe I was too young. I don't know. It didn't happen. That day I did feel bad. I was like, I wish I would have got this film, but it's okay. Today I'm sitting, I'm done ish kush, I'm chatting with you. What more do I need? I'm happy to be true.
जिब्रान जब इंडस्ट्री में आए थे एज एन एडल्ट एक्टर, यू नो, मोर देन यू नो अ डेवलप्ड वन, यू नो, इन अ वे, were you told not to do this, not to do that, not to do that, you know, ऐसे कुछ restrictions and rules were made for you?
By whom?
By the people, by the makers, by the people around you, by your teams, you know, that be specific about certain things, you know, especially because many a times an actor's personal life get more attention versus his professional life.
Yes, but of course many people had many opinions. ये नहीं, ये करो, अभी ये ज़्यादा चल रहा है, नहीं आपको यही करना चाहिए, आपको अगर ये करना है तो आप फिर ये मत कीजिए. But you know, Samina, as a newcomer, people think we have a lot of options, but it's not like that. It is really not like that. आपको नहीं है, आपके पास 4-5 प्रोड्यूसर्स और स्क्रिप्ट्स नहीं लाइंड अप है कि आप ये चूज कर सकते हो, ये चूज कर सकते हो. Not saying that I have not been choosy about some things. I have also said no to a lot of things. You don't have so many options. You need to go with जो आपका गट बोलता है कि बॉस ये कर सकते हो, तुमको लगता है अच्छा एक्सपोजर है, तुम्हारे कैरेक्टर को अच्छा टाइम मिल रहा है, आप करो. तो इट इज जस्ट दैट यार. इट्स नॉट दैट इतना. और मैं ऑनेस्टली मैं इतना सुनता नहीं हूँ. आई थिंक आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू बी एरोगेंट, बट आई थिंक आई नो व्हाट आई वांट टू डू. आई नो वेयर आई स्टैंड. आई नो माई वैल्यू. And that way I'm good. And I think every actor should know that. Because that reminds me, you know, Samina, yesterday I was talking to a fellow actor of mine, and she's been doing a lot of chota roles, you know, and honestly speaking, I'm saying this only because I know her potential, and I just told her that, you know, I'm feeling you're going to get typecast. That was just my feeling as a viewer, not as somebody from the industry. I said, तू अभी इतना करते रहेगी ना तो आगे चल के तू typecast हो जाएगी. So I said, now take a break because you are talented. Give it some time, wait for the right project. Even this, I'll tell you. When you said, now what were you doing all these years? How was it? I knew that I will get a project. I knew that. I just said, but Gibran, till then, you need to be prepared like a missile. You need to know everything. Whether it is camera angles, whether it is catching the light, whether it is getting on your mark. You need to be prepared for all this, bro. तुमको फर्स्ट मूवी में हाँ शायद somebody will be nice and be like हाँ, second film nobody is going to care.
That's true.
Like I'll tell you a small anecdote. We were shooting Gore Gore Mukhde with Farah ma'am. When Farah ma'am comes on set, because she's such a legendary woman, she has expected the crew to know everything. Now, to be very honest, I am doing a song with somebody who I love and I look up to, and I'm not there yet. You know, I'm not 100% there with my technicalities. But she made sure she teaches us, यार. उनका सिखाने का भी तरीका अलग है. क्या कर रहा है? तेरी जबान क्यों बाहर है? तू lizard है क्या? And imagine you're in front of 500 people, but you have to take it.
Yeah.
And that has taught me so much. Like, I've been telling her, ma'am, thank you for this song, because now you've given me a blueprint. Inshallah, when I get a song again in life, I hope so. I know what to do. उतनी मेहनत भी enough नहीं थी मेरे लिए.
Yeah.
What I've danced in that. Like, I feel I was zero in that song. But she pushed me. No, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. So all these things come, yeah, they come to you. But you need to be prepared. At least basics तो आना चाहिए आपको, वरना फिर आप का हो गया.
Coming to food, खाने के लिए मार कितनी बार खाई है जिब्रान?
मार?
Yeah. Huh?
मम्मी ने तो नहीं, ट्रेनर ने बहुत मारा.
Really?
और उनका मारने का तरीका है कि जहाँ पर 3 सेट है, अभी तुम 6 सेट करोगे.
हाँ.
तो वो मार पड़ी है. घर पे तो नहीं. My mother is more than happy to feed me as much. Like, क्या डाइट? तू अच्छा दिखता है, तू खा. माँ का प्यार यही होता है.
तो है of course, पर ऐसे यानी उटपटांगी हरकतें की है खाने के लिए, especially like going in the night, you know, at around 3 a.m. just to have that one
Of
pizza
course.
you like at some other place.
यार बॉम्बे वाले हम.
वो तो है.
हमारे लाइफ में और कुछ भी नहीं है, रात का खाना ही है और ड्राइव. सेंटा क्रूज पे एक डोसा वाला है, बुर्जी वाला है, सॉरी, मैं वहाँ पर जाता हूँ बुर्जी खाने. टाउन में अयूब्स है, 1:30 तक चालू रहता है, या कभी कभी 2 बजे मैं वहाँ जाता हूँ खाने. एंड समीना, बॉम्बे जैसे रात होती है ना, आई थिंक 10-11 बजे के बाद ये शहर अलग हो जाता है. यहाँ की वाइब अलग हो जाती है, रास्ते खाली हो जाते हैं. So you can just sit in your car, put on the music, sit with your friends and drive. And like I told you, I live to eat. So whenever I'm on a drive, I make sure I'm going somewhere to eat.
Yeah.
And बॉम्बे में है ऐसे छोटे छोटे मेरे अड्डे जहाँ पे जाता हूँ खाने. कभी पाव भाजी, कभी ये, कभी वो.
Now since you're an actor, you know, Jibran, आप एक notice होने लग जाओगे.
जी.
So are you now careful and conscious about your whereabouts, you know, where I should be going, because you know my fans just can come and just, you know, oh my god, ये actor इश्क विश्क वाला.
Can I be honest? I don't care. I really want people to come to me. I think, my opinion, I think people who hide and do all this and all, why? I mean, you wanted to be an actor.
But you won't
to
change
get
this statement after a few years down the line when it will
I
become famous.
really don't want to. I was telling, in fact, I was telling my driver the other day.
Huh.
So, you know who stays near my cafe?
Yeah.
Mr. Shahrukh Khan. So, see the connection, Samina. Every day, whenever I'm here actually, I have to pass his house. And I see at least 200-300 people standing outside and clicking pictures. Whether he's in the house, whether he's not there, whether there's nobody in the house. For me, that is my biggest motivation. Because I want that. So for me, hiding and going somewhere, I didn't want to be an actor to be hidden. Why? If you're not going to interact with your fans, if you're not going to give them the love, how are you going to make it big in life? This is what I genuinely feel. Sorry, मैं थोड़ा carried away हो रहा हूँ. But I feel all the younger age actors, we don't really make that one-on-one connection with the fans anymore. Yes, we have Instagram. That is the biggest tool, you know. But I feel somewhere we are losing that. Why is it that a Shah Rukh sir and Salman sir have that stardom? Because they've shown a side of them which is relatable also. You know, why do people think that यार हम हमारा घर बार छोड़ के दिल्ली से आ सकते हैं या बम्बई एक्टर बनने? Because he's shown them that if he can do it, we can. So why should we refrain? Why should I wear a cap and go to a mall and not get mobbed? I want to get mobbed. I'm being very honest. I want that love. And for an actor, that is what keeps you going, Sameer. The day you start feeling, at least for me, I feel the day I start feeling that, of course, not the creepy people, not the creepy fans, but the day I start feeling that I am moving away from my fans, I know my downfall will start. Not that it's picked up yet, but I know that somewhere I will go down.
But also I have to ask you this कि कितनी बार आपको personally nepo kid बोला गया है?
नहीं बोलते मुझे,
नहीं बोलते।
नहीं बोलते।
हाँ, तो आपको कभी नहीं, like I've never heard you being called a nepo kid. Though your dad is from the industry, Did he ever like come into your work, work life or some,
If that would have happened, I would have been launched many years ago. Yeah, I'm at a very decent age compared to where actors actually get launched. I don't want to take my age, but no, I'm pretty old now, yeah, to get launched at this age. But no, he's not been involved. The only, I think, the biggest advantage I would say I've had in my life from my dad is his advice. You know, his just unbiased opinion about me, about how I am, about what I should do. I remember many years ago when I was a teenager or something, I told him, you know all these guys, you worked with Shah Rukh sir, Salman sir, Amir sir, take me. And he was like, of course I will take you, but for that you need to look like a hero. I was a skinny boy with hair out and just with a belly. He's like, why will anyone want to sign you? What is so great about you? Have you proved yourself as an actor? Yes, as a kid, yes. But as an adult, you need to go through these things to prepare yourself. Like I told you, you need to be prepared. So I feel, yeah, this nepo and all doesn't work for me. I think nepotism also is a word which is very badly used here. For example, even my co-star Pashmina, we know how she's got the film. You know, we know what is happening. This is a very big mindset where people think, yeah, just because you're somebody's XYZ relative, son, daughter, you get work. It doesn't work like that anymore. And I'm telling you this with all honesty. It is a place of merit. It is a place of, you're a product. How much can you sell? What is your value? And what talent you have? It all starts with talent. If your talent is amazing, definitely people will come to watch you. So it's as simple as that, yeah. You can't sit and cry about this, arey nepo and this and that.
But what feedback you got from your father when he saw the movie? When I met him, he told me like, oh, I'm very much happy for his debut, but I'm not going to reveal you anything. And he was very excited that time. I saw the joy on his face, and he was so, oh my God, he's making his debut finally. It was a different.
Yeah, because it's not been easy, yeah. Like I told you, even you've asked me this. Where were you so many years? It's not that I was just sitting and like, nahi, aa jayega. I was working every day, Samina, to become an actor. There has not been, I think, the last 3 years, 2021 onwards, there was not one day in my life where I've sat and I've not reached out to any actor, director, producer, sorry, not actor, director, producer, casting agent. I've sent multiple messages. That has been my journey. That has to be every actor's journey. अगर आप काम मांगोगे नहीं समीना, आपको काम नहीं मिलने वाला है. ये मैंने बहुत लेट समझा लाइफ में. I wish I had done this way before. I wish somebody had told me, you need to. That's why today also when I talk to any actor who wants to become one or who's trying, I'm like, guys, you have the biggest tool in your hand. Message someone. And एक तरीका होता है, एक लहजा होता है बात करने का. You can't be like, sir, I'm an actor, मुझे काम दो.
Correct.
You have to introduce yourself well, and there is a hunger for new energies. People want new stories. They want to see younger actors. But coming back to your question, I think the biggest compliment my dad said that, beta, you can act without acting. So for me, that is the biggest compliment I could get, because, yeah, what is it? You are acting without not acting. So
what dietary changes you did, while getting into acting?
Yes, so my character, Sahil, is an army cadet. He's a Defense Academy first year student. He's trying to impress his father. He has a lot of father issues. Now I can say it, the movie's out. So
was it like daddy issues? Like what kind of
No,
issues?
not daddy issues, but definitely he didn't have a good equation with his father. So everything he did was to impress his father. So as an army student, I felt that this character needs to be in a certain shape. He needs to be very lean. He doesn't need to be a bodybuilder. So if you see myself from the film, which you will, inshallah, and you see me now I'm a bit on the bulkier side, but in the film I've been very lean. My diet restrictions was, yes, I couldn't eat paprika fries like how I'm eating with you. I couldn't eat Caesar salad filled with cream. I was on a very strict diet of grilled chicken, asparagus, spinach, and that was my food, yeah, for I think at least half a year. 6 to 8 months I was only eating that. Yeah, I was only eating that fish, steamed fish, paneer, broccoli. But जब आप ये कर रहे हो ना, इतना feel नहीं होता. Because when you're seeing results now, you're like, damn man, like I need to. Like right now I'm a bit lazy.
But do you also feel like this, like, oh my God, is that me? Is that me on screen like that? ऐसा फीलिंग आता है
I
थोड़ा सा?
felt it now when I watched the film. So
Yeah.
screening के टाइम पे मैं इतना देख नहीं पाया, but मैं मंडे गया था फिल्म देखने एंड मैं बहुत खुश था यार, बिकॉज वो 70 पे जब आप अपने आप को देखते हो बॉस, वो वाइब अलग है। आप कुछ भी कर लो जिंदगी में, एक फिल्म का जो इम्पैक्ट होता है सिनेमा हॉल में जाके वो डॉल्बी साउंड में देखना, it is the best feeling in the world and I want this feeling forever. Like I felt, you know, खाने की बात करें जब पेट भर जाता है, that sufficient feeling,
Yeah.
I felt that. I was happy.
What is ishq wishq for you?
For me, I think it is an unforgettable experience because it's taken me so long to get here. And the amount of time and energy which is gone on this film now, and now finally it's out to the public, I am never going to forget this film. They say na, first is always special. For me it's beyond special. For even my producers, my director, my co-stars, my team, it's like a family. Like I'm indebted to Ramesh ji and Jaya and Nipun sir for giving me this opportunity, and I'm never going to forget this. I'm going to remember every day.
You know, coming to this topic before I let you go, ishq as a term, जिब्रान के लिए क्या stand करता है?
For me, मैं थोड़ा ना old school type हूँ. Ishq for me is the biggest feeling in the world. And that doesn't only mean a romantic relation. Ishq can be with your family, your friends. And मैं इसमें बड़ा हुआ हूँ. You know, मेरी 3 बहनें हैं, मेरे एक father है. मैं बहुत लव में बिलीव करता हूँ बिकॉज आई फील वो इमोशन एक ऐसा इमोशन है जो आपको एक होलसम फीलिंग दे सकता है. सो फॉर मी इश्क मीन्स होम यार, लाइक माई फैमिली, माई फ्रेंड्स, माई डॉग, दैट इज इश्क फॉर मी.
And food as well, right?
Food is above everyone.
Food is above everyone.
number one. Food is number one.
और फूड की बात करें एंड ऑफ कोर्स मुझे जो ऐसे यहाँ पे टाइमर लग रहा है, हैव यू एवर ट्राइड कुकिंग फूड और जो डिजास्टर्स यू नो इट हैड
Of course,
एनी ऑफ योर मेमोरीज?
yes, disaster as well. लॉकडाउन में बहुत ट्राई किया था. पेरी पेरी चिकन बनाया था मैंने, हमस बनाया था, भिंडी, आई ट्राई टू मेक फ्राई भिंडी एंड द ऑयल वाज ऑल ओवर द प्लेस. एंड उसके बाद मुझे अपने घर में किचन में एंट्री नहीं मिली. अभी तो बोला गया है कि जब भी बनाओगे हमें बोलो. तो वो भिंडी का था. एंड नाउ आई ओन अ कैफे, तो मैंने किचन में काफी चीजें ट्राई की है, बट नहीं, मुझे बोले सर आप ओनर हो, आप बाहर ही रहो. So yeah, that is
the only thing you have tried.
Yes.
And what is Gibran's when Gibran is feeling lonely, stressed,
हाँ.
तब क्या खाना पसंद करते हो?
क्या खाना पसंद करता हूँ मैं? आई थिंक मेरा एक बहुत गंदा स्वीट टूथ है. मैं आइसक्रीम खाता हूँ.
And if Gibran had to take his girlfriend out on a date,
Yes.
what is that one thing he would prefer to be, you know, served on her platter?
Oh wow, that's a nice question. Honestly, of course, I would ask her beforehand, like, oh, you know, like in the day, like, oh, what are your preferences and all.
How smart.
And when we are sitting on the table, of course, she's free to order whatever she wants, but I would make sure out of surprise, I would just get that dish in front of her. And that can be anything, like veg, non-veg, anything. And I would just like surprise her that, listen, you told me, right? Maybe try it. So,
Okay.
मैं romantic हूँ वैसे.
चलो, वो बारिश में देखो सब लोग रोमांटिक
हो
बन जाते
जाता
हैं,
है.
फिर बाद में when you see the actual atmosphere, you really feel like हाँ रोमांटिक होना चाहिए कि
Oh
नहीं.
God, now
Doesn't
that
happen
is
to you also, like, you know, you really imagine, you know, अच्छे से that, oh, this is how my day is going to be, and then suddenly it's like oh.
Isn't that all of us
Few moments
every day?
later. Every day, yeah.
Few moments later. That's us every day, यार. Nothing was planned. Never. तो बॉम्बे में तो कभी नहीं हुआ.
नहीं, actually.
और बारिश में तो.
Well, thank you so much for your
Thank
lovely
you,
time and all the
Sameena.
very
Thank you so
best.
much.
It was
Thank you
lovely chatting with you, like always rather than on WhatsApp, you know, it's more on food and videos. But I would like to know one thing. If you had to serve one food item to your fan, which one would it be and why?
Okay, I would like to keep it sweet, so I would like to give her a mango chocolate cake, which is very famous of Grounded, and mango because it's the most beautiful fruit in the world, and chocolate because chocolate just makes things sweet. So I hope she melts with the chocolate.
Well, lovely chatting with you, Gibran. Thank you so much, and all the very best for your upcoming projects.
Sami.